was good on, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You were good on the love, it's fake love. It's fake love. Girl, what the hell you complain for? Feeling good, huh? Used to trip off that shit, I was kicking to you.
Hey guys, it's Abby. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this watercolor jack-o'-lantern Halloween makeup. Everyone seems to like the minimalistic line type makeup looks that I've done for Halloween in the past, so I thought I would give you another one to try out, and I'm hoping that I can get a few more Halloween videos out before Halloween, although I only have like a week and a half left. I'm hoping to get 2 more out after this, and then a special video on Halloween, which I'm really excited about. So if you want to see those, be sure to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. And other than that, let's just hop right on into the video. So I just primed with my Benefit Professional Pearl Primer, and we're going in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in the shade Soft Beige. Next for concealer, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Concealer in the shade C3. Then I'm going to be setting my whole face with my Coty Loose Airspun powder, including my eyelids since we are not going to be doing eyeshadow for today. Moving on to bronzer, I'm going to be using my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and mine unfortunately is still broken. I haven't gotten around to getting a new one. For blush, we're going to be using the Neutrogena Healthy Skin Blush in the shade 10 Rosy because it has like a nice kind of peachy tint to it, so I think that'll go good with the whole like minimalistic jack-o'-lantern theme. For a highlight today, I'm going to be going into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dream Glow Kit. And I'm going to be taking the shade Sunshine, which is a little yellow shade right here. Okay, so for the next step, we're going to be going back into our foundation, and I'm going to be covering my lips with the foundation. I don't know why I always do this like a few steps after I apply the initial foundation, but I do, so that's how we're going to do it today. And then obviously we're going to set that because we don't want that to move anywhere. Next I'm going to spray my face with MAC Fix Plus. For the next step, I'm using the Ben Nye Aqua Paint, which I activated with my Evian spray water. I'm going to first start by sketching out the lines on the side of my mouth. And then I'm going to be sketching out the outline of the triangles that are going to go over my eyes. Now that I have that done, I'm going to be darkening up the lines around my eyes. Next, I'm going to be sketching out the outline of a triangle on my nose. Next, Next, we're going to be drawing on the lines on the mouthpiece. Now we're going to be drawing the little cracks out of the corners of the triangle. For the next step, I'm going to be going into the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Thirsty palette, and I'm going to be taking the shade Quench and the shade Taste Buds and mixing those together. And I'm just going to be kind of like putting it in random areas inside the triangles to give it kind of the effect like the jack-o'-lantern kind of has like a candle in it. I'm also going to be taking a little bit of the two and going around the edge of the nose. And then once again with those shades, I'm going to be going over the mouth. For our lashes today, I'm going to be wearing Villain Lashes in the style Queen of Hearts. So next what I'm going to be doing is I'm going back into the Thirsty palette, and with the same two shades, Taste Bud and Quench, I'm going to be sketching out like 3 lines, one down the middle and one on either side of my lips. And then I'm going to be taking those two shades and packing them all over my lips.
Do you mind? Okay, go.
Next I'm going to be taking the Ben Nye Aqua Paints again, and I am going to be drawing lines one through each of the little color lines that we did, but I'm not going to be going through the center of my lips. Finally, I'm going to be applying the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb over the top of my lips. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!